Hello everyone, welcome to this vlog. My name is Satya. So today I will show you what developments I have done for wireless LAN diagnostics program, right? So as part of this series I am showing how to check the health of wireless LAN that you are connected to the AP access point, and check what are the errors in your network so that you have to shift channel or what you need to do. So as part of that I have enhanced the program for wireless LAN diagnostics. So let's quickly check that. So here I will run the program that I prepared, that is called as Python is the executable, right? So it's a Python file, so I'm using Python as the command, and wireless LAN underscore statistics.py is the program that I've written. So first it will scan the network, whichever access points are there it will be displayed. Okay, so now we got the output, so let's study the output. So since we are running the IW scan on or a wireless LAN scan on the access point that we are connected to, so you will not see that access point as part of the scan list. These are the other access points in our vicinity, like for example Satya Pi 2 is operating in channel 6, right? And Proximus is operating at 5 GHz spectrum 5320. In a similar way, Wi-Fi Bowen is operating at 2457 channel, right? The frequency is 2457. So you will see the first it will scan the network and it will show what all the different access points available in the wireless LAN spectrum. Now we need to check how many stations connected to the current access point that we're connected to. If, for example, if you run the same wireless LAN statistics on Satya Pi 2 access point, it will show also my current access point, how many stations are connected. If the stations connected are greater than 5, right, that means we are using too much of airtime. So then we need to check that the number of stations connected are less, not connecting to the access point, because if you want to get a good throughput or a good signal, then number of stations operating should be less than 5, right, for a particular access point. Then as part of the program I print what is the current access point, right? The current access point is called as a Satya underscore pi. The type is access point and it's operating channel 1. Width, the channel bandwidth will be there, how much bandwidth you will get when transmitting the data, that is 20 megahertz, and what is the frequency, 2412, it's operating in channel 1. Now as I told in my previous vlog also, if you receive too many action frames which are not intended to our access point, then the airtime will be utilized. Now this access point is detecting that this many action frames were sent on the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, but they are not in our channel, right? So it's in channel 11. In 2.4 gigahertz there are three important channels: channel 1, channel 6 and channel 11. Channel 1 is less interference channel, channel 6 is also less interference channel, and channel 11 is also less interference channel. These three channels you can operate in. Now if you receive too much of management frames on channel 1, then the current access point, which is Satya underscore pi, users connected should be worried and switch to a different channel where number of action frames are less. So that's why I say action frames are received on channel 11, management access frames, and that action frame is also not intended for the access point which is operating in 2462, right? So that's why I don't say change the channel, right? I just say number of management frames received from unknown station are 4, right? So you don't have to be alarmed by this condition. If receive action frame is received on 2411, which is our frequency, 2412, which is our channel 1 frequency, then we should be worried and switch to a different channel, which is channel 6 or channel 11. Current channel would be channel 1, so we shift from channel 1 to 6 or 11. So if you run it again, it will first scan the network, right? And it will give you the output. So first it will give you the scan results of your neighboring access points, then information about your own access point, and how many. Now we already received another action frame. Earlier it was 4 count, now it is already received another action frame on 2462. That means to say in 2462 access point, the throughput will be little bit affected. Sometimes you might see buffering. When you are watching a YouTube video or any videos, you will see that there is a buffering uh, snapshot that will be seen on the mobile phones or laptop, right? The video will not buffer quickly, right? So this is what I wanted to discuss as part of the improvement for wireless LAN statistics. Okay, so in the next class I will dwell more into the wireless LAN health, and I'll share useful tips. Okay, thank you, bye.